So today, I was shooting the video, the Rain-X video, which came out a few days ago. And my UPS man delivered my exhaust. This is the ISR Racing Exhaust, and supposedly it has no mufflers, no resonators. So it's gonna be a little louder, gonna piss off my neighbors just a little bit, but it's gonna be all worth it.
Like your blow-off valves will piss them off enough.
Whatever. Alright, let's open this up, see what we got inside. And one more thing. Yes, he does have hair on his head. No, oh, you can't do that. That's blurred. I'm blurring that out. 100 subscribers, head reveal. 100 subscribers, head reveal. Alright, so I ordered this about a week ago. And could be not really. How long ago did you order it? I ordered it. Okay, so it was about a week ago. And I ordered it off of importimageracing.com, and they ship, I think they're from Florida, so also on the East Coast, just a little more north of them is me. So it took about a week, right, with me? Alright, I just want to open this up, see what we got inside. Better?
By the time we open this, the next Evo's gonna come out.
The next Evo's gonna come out the next time we open it. Is it in? This looks like spray foam. I don't care, it looks like... Oh, doctor.
I can't see it.
You can't see that. Oh, shoot. Those exhaust tips better be burnt. They're burnt. Yeah, keep chilling. It does have a resonator, but I don't care. Something like what? Oh, hardware. Wow, something in my eye. Alright, no instructions. I mean, it shouldn't be too complicated, but no instructions on how to install this. This install hopefully will be coming to you guys hopefully in the next week. So yeah, it's gonna be a quick unboxing of this with no instructions. A little surprising, but it's whatever. So yeah, this is it with the burnt tips. So it came with this. It came with this. And then it came with this. So yeah, that's it guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.